Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. You can choose your favorite color of yarn, and in this video you will see how to crochet cute 6-petal flower with seed beads. And I remind you, you can use your favorite color of seed beads and yarn. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make a chain. I will not use it. Then take seed beads. Make 12 half double crochet with seed bead. Yarn over the hook with seed bead. Insert the hook into the ring. Make half double crochet. In total it should be 12 of them. First one is ready. Let's crochet the second one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on till you will get 12 half double crochet into the ring. Keep working this way till the end of this round. I'm about to complete this round. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the first half double crochet, make slip stitch. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be a round of chain spaces. Make a chain, insert the hook into the first stitch, make single crochet, then single crochet into the next stitch, then chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well done. My chain is ready. I insert the hook into the same stitch, make single crochet, continue, make single crochet through the next stitch, then single crochet into the next stitch, and chain of 9 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once I have done 9 chains, insert the hook into the same stitch that I worked before, make single crochet, continue, single crochet into the next stitch, then single crochet through the next stitch, chain of 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Insert the hook into the same stitch and make single crochet. Then you should alternate 2 single crochet into the next stitch and just single crochet till the end of this round. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. I remind you, I'm making 9 chain space. I'm about to complete round 2. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round 2 is ready. I've got 6 chain spaces and I will get 6 petals. I take seed beads, and in this round I'm going to work with seed beads. Work into the chain space. Make 10 half double crochet with seed bead into the chain space. After the slip stitch, yarn over the hook with seed bead. Make half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's make the last one into the same chain space. Continue. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make a slip stitch. My first petal is ready. The next one will be made in the same way as I did this one. I will start the next one and you should continue working with your own. Make 10 half double crochet into the chain space, yarn over the hook with seed bead. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 into the same chain space. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch, make slip stitch. The second petal is ready. Let's stop and look what I have done. I remind you, in total it should be 6 of them. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round. Once I have done all 6 petals, let's complete this flower. There is my slip stitch that I did into the single crochet. Insert the hook into the same stitch, make a slip stitch, pull it to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn and pull it. I turn the work on the back side. I remove the yarn along the stitches using sewing needle or crochet hook, and let's look what I have done. That's it, my project is ready. This is the simple and quick to make project. If you don't like seed beads, please visit my channel and find a lot of video tutorials for yourself. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use such project. You can use it like a decoration, or it could be part of big projects such as Irish or Guipure laces. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. It was Maria from Crochet Fashion. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!